In this video, I will demonstrate how to create different type of lines using line endpoints command and line parallel command. Line endpoints command allows you to create single lines that you know the two endpoints or multiple lines connected at their endpoints. You can use this command to create horizontal and vertical lines, as well as polar lines that you know an endpoint, the line angle, and the length. The horizontal line, which is the line parallel with the x-axis, and the vertical line parallel with the y-axis, can be used as construction lines when drawing a part. The line endpoints are not defined. You only note the distance from the x-axis for the horizontal line, 1.5, and the distance from the y-axis for the vertical line, 1 inch. From the Wireframe tab in the Lines group, select Line Endpoints. Enable Horizontal in the Line Endpoints. And in the graphics window, sketch the horizontal line approximately as the one shown in the finish geometry to the left. In the axis offset, enter the value 1.5 and then press enter. You see how the line is right now positioned to the correct distance from the x-axis. It's live, it has that light blue color. If you want to finish it, just press another enter. To create a vertical line, we have to enable vertical in the line endpoints panel. Again, we are just sketching, selecting the first point, selecting the second point, and then in the axis offset, you will have to highlight the value and type in 1. Press an enter. This updates the location of the line, and another enter to finish it. Next, we are going to create the line that we know the endpoints coordinates. I'm going to type in minus 1.25, that's the value of the x coordinate, comma, and minus 0.5, the y coordinate. Then press an enter. You can see how the first point is located. Can you see what's happening right now? Because I left in the line endpoints the vertical option turned on, the system can only create a vertical line. So I need to change the type to freeform, which now allows me to create the line at whatever angle I want to. I'm going to just type the coordinates for the second endpoint. I'm not going to click anywhere. Just start typing the second coordinates values. Minus 2.5, comma, minus 1.75. And then press enter. The line is already created. It's live, so just press another enter to finish it. To create the polar line, I will leave the type to freeform, and I am going to select the origin because you can see the line starts in the origin, and just sketch the line. Click again somewhere outside of it. Remember that 0 degrees in Mastercam is at 3 o'clock, and positive angles are measured in the counterclockwise direction, while negative angles are measured in clockwise direction. That's why right now in the line endpoints panel, I could type in minus 25 degrees. You can also type in as a positive angle 335 degrees, which is 360 minus 25. And in the length, I'm just going to type in 3. and press an enter. You can see how the line was updated. I finish all the lines that I can create with the line endpoints command. So I'm going to exit from the command by selecting the OK button. You could also exit by pressing Escape from the keyboard. Next, I'm going to create the parallel line. You can see the line parallel is at a distance of 0.5. From the wireframe ribbon, I'm going to select line parallel. I am going to first select the line that is going to be parallel with, and then I'm going to place the line somewhere below or to the right side of the line. And in the offset distance, you can just type the value, which in our case is 0.5. Press an enter to update the distance, and then another enter to finish it. Select the OK button or press Escape to exit line parallel. This concludes our video lesson on how to create lines in Mastercam.